bro. You going global.
Ain't take up, you don't got exotic, bro. Yeah. I should make trap my last name. We know out here serving exotic. Having these pounds like gas game. Clean work. Now that we having, I can't have no bad name. Weed bustin', hit my line. I feel just like fast lane. Nigga, my trap be booming on 4-5 ways. We having them to the moon. You can't stay with us, like you can't make them.
What's up?
I'm in this thing.
iGrindMixtapes in the building.
Already.
So we about to crank up this little A session, you know, with Kiotti. And we're at the Lion's Den right now, in the mixing out the way. And then people were word for word on the songs. So he was kind of between performing and like vibing with the crowd. You know what I'm saying? And then, especially like the last song, it's like everybody knew that shit. And by then, the whole crowd was like kind of vibing to it off the energy. So, that's the song.
Bitch, I'm a player, I run this shit, just like the mail. Exotic my body, she loving my smell. I can't tell you the business, nigga, you might tell. I'm trapping so hard, shit, I just broke the scale. I don't play, got vacuum shit, all of the bills. I'm on the porch, watching out for the mail. These boys going like Tesla, they moving they sub. Nigga, this that trap shit. Fiends calling, they been blowing my phone, nigga, this that trap shit. Rubber bands, pop my fucking wrist, yeah, this that trap shit. Take your bags.
What's the deal? You know it's going down. Pop an 8. To make it happen. Some white people to make some great things happen.
This that trap shit. Rubber bands, pop my fucking wrist, yeah, this that trap shit. Take your bags, flood in the fucking kitchen, nigga, this that trap shit. I just got a brand new phone for my client. I separate family from clientele.
This is turkey bags. Got them in the kitchen. We still trapping. Got them in the kitchen. We still, you know what I'm saying?
I don't believe that. You better stay in your state, better rep your brand. Be a brand at all times. Be the brand.
They gonna believe you.
Like fast lane,
Like half of it.
Nigga, this that trap shit. Fiends calling, they been blowing my phone, nigga, this that trap shit. Rubber bands, pop my fucking wrist, yeah, this that trap shit. Take your bags, flood in the fucking kitchen, nigga, this that trap shit. Nigga, this that trap shit. Fiends calling, they been blowing my phone, nigga, this that trap shit. Rubber bands, pop my fucking wrist, yeah, this that trap shit. Take your bags, flood in the fucking kitchen, nigga, this that trap shit.
You said some real stuff. It was so real, you brought it back. Like, no, listen. Have you ever trapped so hard you ain't really seen T. Jones? Yeah, and then you just and then let that hook come back in. I'm telling you, boy, hey, dog.